Here is trending apps called Cliptone, ringtone and AI cover. It's growing in charts, as you can see in top charts in the music category. So here you have it, ringtone and AI cover, but technologies. Turn any sound into custom ringtone with Cliptone. Cliptone makes it easy to extract audio from videos, trim your favorite moments and set them as ringtones. Now with AI music covers, you can recreate songs in new voices or styles for a truly unique sound. Audio extraction, precise editing, AI cover, one-tap ringtone setting. So here you have it. You can unlock all features with subscription available through in-app purchases. 3-day free trial, subscription required. So yeah, here you have it. And then let's just open it up. So now you can just tap to create ringtone from video. So you can do ringtone from video. You can use AI voice, AI cover. Here is your profile. There's a description how to, you need to get the GarageBand app in advance. It's free, it's just to install your ringtone, but you create your ringtone in this app. It's quite cool. And then you will have your own custom ringtone.